A rolling stone, unveiling the mystery. Hello everyone, welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we'll explore a fascinating English phrase, a rolling stone. This phrase isn't just about rocks and hills. It holds a deeper meaning in the English language. Let's dive in and discover its significance together. A rolling stone originates from the old proverb, "A rolling stone gathers no moss." This proverb suggests that a stone in constant motion doesn't allow moss to grow on it. Similarly, a person who is always moving and changing doesn't accumulate responsibilities or attachments. In modern usage, the phrase, "a rolling stone," often refers to a person who doesn't settle in one place or who frequently changes their job, lifestyle, or relationships. It can imply a sense of freedom and adaptability, but sometimes it might also hint at a lack of responsibility or commitment. This phrase gained immense popularity with the rise of the Rolling Stones, a famous rock band. It's also used in various songs, movies, and literature, reflecting its deep integration into popular culture. Let's see how "a rolling stone" can be used in sentences. He's a real rolling stone, never staying in one job for more than a year. As a rolling stone, she has lived in many countries and experienced diverse cultures. A rolling stone is a phrase rich in meaning and history. It beautifully captures the essence of freedom, change, and movement in life. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this phrase and can use it confidently in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.